Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Wells Fargo account step by. To use Zelle with your Wells Fargo account, start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store and log in with your Wells Fargo credentials. Once logged in, look for the transfers option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Send Money with Zelle. You'll be asked to review the Zelle terms and conditions. Read through them and accept to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to enroll in Zelle. Enter your email address or mobile phone number, which will be used to send and receive payments. After entering your information, you will receive a verification code via text or email. Enter the verification code in the app to complete the enrollment process. Now that you're enrolled, you can add contacts to send money. Tap on Add a Recipient and select how you want to send money, by phone number or email. Enter the recipient's phone number or email address, then tap Next. You may also add a nickname for the recipient for easier identification. Now, enter the amount you want to send and include a note if you wish. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap Send to complete the transaction. The recipient will receive a notification that you've sent them money via Zelle. If the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle, they will receive the funds instantly. If not, they will have instructions on how to claim the payment after they enroll. To check your Zelle transaction history, go back to the Transfers section and select Zelle Activity. You'll be able to view all your past transactions and payment statuses. That's all it takes to use Zelle with your Wells Fargo account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.